Here's a C8, just in it, unique specialty and classics. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe 2 LZ package. Clean Carfax, one owner, 1,004 miles on the odometer right now. In Arctic white. Two-tone interior with adrenaline red. Take a look at the front fascia. As you can see, it does have the carbon fiber ground effects. 5.5 liter, 8-speed dual clutch automatic. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to get standard on the 2023 Corvette, and we'll go over the window sticker and the added options on this particular car. But first, check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. You're seeing it on YouTube, that'll take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A couple options right there: edge red painted calipers plus the spider black wheels. Take a look down the passenger side of this car, and you can see it's what you'd expect with clean Carfax, one owner, not very many miles. Car's practically like new. Another option on the car, the two-tone interior, and then those are also the GT2 bucket seats and carbon fiber interior trim. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one does have the transparent roof panel. It is removable, obviously, in its storage compartment for the pictures in the video. It also has the front lift adjustable height memory, which is very handy on this lower vehicle. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Coming down the driver's side, you can see again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up too, and we'll take a little peek at the engine compartment on it too. So, of course, the Bose Performance Series stereo, and again, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a late model car, and then let alone a 2023 Corvette. Seats, great condition. Of course, GT2 seats, you have your carbon fiber up here. Wrap steering wheel also would be a free flow option. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, heads up display, all your goodies. There's your exact miles, 1,004. There's some bark for you. Listen to that. Slip around to the back, it's going to quiet down, obviously, with the variable exhaust. Give you a little idea. Great sounding car on the throttle. Let me pause this a second. I'll pop that engine compartment open. Take a peek at that. There we go. And you can see now where the removable top is stored. And of course the mid-engine. Beautiful car. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe 2 LZ package. Check out the window sticker. I want to see exactly how this is optioned. uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended warranty coverage. Consult with your sales person when you call in or email.